Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a portrait filled with nature textures. Import your portrait image and nature textures like leaves or trees. Position the textures layer above your portrait and right click and choose create clipping mask. The textures will now fill the portrait shape beautifully. Lower the opacity slightly for a soft blend and also add a new background layer with a solid natural tone. Duplicate the portrait and set blending mode to soft light and erase unnecessary parts with a soft brush for natural mix. Use hue saturation to enhance the texture's green tones and add soft vignette for focus. Now use the brush tool to add subtle light